Hey, let's talk about how easy it is to do inspections nowadays with high-precision 3D scanners. With the Shining 3D FreeScan Trio, you can quickly scan any object you need to inspect. Once you've got all the 3D data you need, just delete the surroundings you don't want to keep and focus on the mesh. Export the data straight to third-party inspection software like Geomagic Control X Essentials within our scanning software. By importing the design CAD, you can align it with the mesh and start comparing it in 3D. Any manufacturing issues are easy to spot with color maps. Adjustments can be made to processes to improve product quality. Just tweak things until the colors turn the way you want to show them. Don't miss out. Act now and save with our limited time FreeScan Trio or FreeScan Combo and Geomagic Control X Essentials bundle. Reach out to your account manager or email sales at shining3d.com to learn more.